If you have a 2017 to 2019 Ford Super Duty and you want to upgrade the lights on your mirror, this video is for you. Today we're going to install the Morimoto XB turn signals as well as the Morimoto XB puddle lights. Now I'm starting with the puddle light versus this mirror light because we do have to remove the puddle light in order to get this side marker on. So first things first, go ahead and get a pick or a flat screwdriver, reach up from the bottom and remove the puddle light. Now underneath your mirror, there's a little slot on the side for a flathead screwdriver to go in and pry down. Reach up, pry it down just like this, and remove it. All right, now that your puddle light's removed, go ahead and set this aside. We're gonna put the Morimoto XB puddle light in just a second, but first thing I wanna do is upgrade this side marker here, the mirror light. What you're gonna need is a longer flathead screwdriver and a pry tool. We're gonna remove the face of the mirror right here. Let's do that now. Let's remove the top mirror first. Using a long, flat screwdriver, reach up in the middle and pry backwards carefully. With it pulled back, you can see what it looks like. What I'm doing is reaching up in here and pulling these plastic tabs back off of this round spot right here. Now go ahead and unplug it if your mirrors are heated. Keep in mind that the white wire goes on the outside. Now I'm just gonna use a pick tool to push this tab down and remove this. Now in order to unplug this to remove the mirror completely, we have to reach behind it and pop it out of its little slot here. Just like that. Now you can unplug this tab here. The top mirror is removed, now let's work our way to the bottom. Grab a plastic pry tool like this one. We're gonna reach up into the middle of it and do the exact same thing. Now go ahead and unplug the last two wires. The white is on the outside again, facing that way. Go ahead and remove it. Black is on the inside, go ahead and remove it. Now we have 5 7mm bolts on the outside of this mirror we have to remove. Now go ahead and take a 5/32 socket and remove this one bolt right here. Remove this black plastic piece as well. With all of those loosened up, go ahead and remove this right here and unplug it. Now you can go ahead and remove this plastic face here. Now that it's released, just pull it towards you. Just like that and set it aside. Now you're almost done. What we're gonna do now is remove this face by just pulling it forward, and then we got a couple wires we gotta mind. Move them over and unplug it. To remove this, all you gotta do is pull on this tab up, just like that, and then give it a push and pull it away. Now with this, the mirror light is going to essentially fall right out. So go ahead, pull it towards you, and you're good to go. Now go ahead and grab your Morimoto mirror light, the smoked out version. It looks so much better than your original side marker or your mirror light. Let's go ahead and put this in the exact same way we took the other one out. Rotate it in place, set it down. Now that that's back in place, go ahead and plug it in, put the face back on, put all of the bolts back in the exact same way you just took them out, and you're good to go. Now go ahead and grab your Morimoto puddle light and plug it in. Now that everything's back together, you can tell how much better the Morimoto mirror light is over your original lights. This right here looks amber when it's on. It has a sequential turn signal. When you hit the turn signal, it's got that scrolling effect. And when it's off, it's a beautiful smoked out color. If you want to see what else we're doing to this 17 and 19 Super Duty, go to Headlight Revolution on YouTube and also go to headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model and see everything there.